First you have to come to gigabyte.com. This is officially website for download and driver. So you can see here the search key, and then guys type your model number. Z890 gaming X 557, then click to product. Then click to support. Select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. If you about not aware about your operating system, you can select the all. So that means that driver will show it will work both Windows 7 also and 10 also. Otherwise you can select, like I am using Windows 11 selected. Okay, and Windows 10 installation process also same. Okay, so no worry. Then guys, Wi-Fi driver, scroll down, you can see Wi-Fi drive. MediaTek, you also install this one. If you are getting some issues like installations time, so you have to install another version, like that you MediaTek installing and facing issues, so install this one. Okay, but try to install latest one. Okay, this is versions. After that, open this file and Realtek Wi-Fi driver. Then yes. Okay, then close it.